small to research circle. So in this video we are going to discuss the Nobel Prize winners 2021. Nobel Prize usually awarded in the field of physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, peace, literature and economics. The Nobel Prize was instituted in 1895 in the memory of Sir Alfred Nobel. The award is given to the people in the field of research. Now here are some interesting fact we are going to look into this video about Nobel Prize, and we are going to first of all discuss about the latest Nobel Prize winner of 2021, which has been recently awarded. If we check the history of Nobel Prize, it's an international award administered by Foundation in Stockholm, Sweden, and based on the fortune of Alfred Nobel. As we said, he was a Swedish inventor and entrepreneur. Most prestigious award given for intellectual achievement in the world. The first contribution of the prize took place on December 10, 1901. In addition, this award one also prize is given in the economic science in the memory of Alfred Nobel, that is Sveriges Riksbank Prize, and was established in 1968 by the Bank of Sweden and first awarded in 1969. So this was a small history about the Nobel Prize. Now let's get to the list of Nobel Prize winners. The first here in the list is Nobel Prize 2021 in physics or for physics, and this was awarded for a physical modeling of Earth's climate, qualifying variability and reliability predicting global warming. And these award winners are, as you can see on your screen, this award is awarded to three researchers, that is Socorro Mabelli, Giorgio Paris and Klaus Hasselmann. So let's get to the next award. The next is Nobel Prize 2021 in chemistry for the development of asymmetric catalytic. Okay, so here are the winners like Benjamin List and David V.C. Macmillan. Let's get to the next award, Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine, and this is given for their discoveries of receptors for the temperature and touch. And here are the winners, that is Adam Patapulin and David. Also you can see David. Yeah, this was we have discussed. Yeah, David. This was the medicine. David Julius. Okay, and you can see their designations has been mentioned below, that is PhD professor and the chair of department. Let's get to new award, the Nobel Prize in the Peace 2021. This was the most celebrating award worldwide, and this is given for their fight for the freedom of speech and expression in very adverse condition. And these are the two winners, that is Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov. They are their respective domains or respective designations has been mentioned below. The next in the is the Nobel Prize in the literature, and here is the winner, that is Abdul Razak Gurnah. He's a Christ Church. He is the Sanitary at the Christ Church University of Kent, MBA, for his uncompromising and compassionate penetration of effects of colonialism and the fate of refugee in the gulf between cultures and continents. So this was the list about the winners of Nobel Prize 2021. Some are the interesting facts that are mentioned here. You can see a total of 597 Nobel Prizes has been given to 950 Nobel literatures from 1901 to 1990. Malala Yousafzai is the youngest Nobel literature to receive the Peace Prize in 2014 at the age of just 17. The average age of Nobel literature in all the award category between 1901, and 90 and 2070 is 60. Alfred Nobel left most of his assets over SEK 31 million, about SEK 1702 million today, to be converted into the fund and invested in safe securities. John B. Goodenough is the oldest recipient of this award in the chemistry in 2019 at the age of 97. John Bardeen is the only Nobel literature to have been awarded in the field of Nobel Prize in Physics twice, in 1956 and 1972. The Nobel Prize in the chemistry has been awarded at 111 times to 184 Nobel literatures between. Also, here are the various interesting facts. You can see Nobel Prize money for 2008 is set as a Sweden corner 9.0 million per full Nobel Prize. Okay, Marie Curie is the only woman to have been awarded Nobel Prize in the physics twice, in 1903 and a Nobel Prize in chemistry in 1911. Here are some also interesting facts about the Nobel Prize. Like, Nobel Prize in economic science has been awarded 51 times between 1969 and 1999 to 84 literates. Okay. Also, the first Nobel Prize was awarded in 1901 to Henry Donald, Switzerland, and Frederic Passy, France. Okay, between 1901 to 2019, the Nobel Peace Prize has been awarded 100 times to 134 Nobel literatures, including 27 organizations and 107 individuals. So this is all about today's video. We have discussed about the history of Nobel Prize, the winners of Nobel Prize 2021, and some interesting fact about Nobel Prize. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe to Research Circle channel and hit that like button and share to your near and dears, and take care of yourself. Thank you so much, and bye bye.